Hello, you guys. Welcome to another episode of Master Meals. You guys know me as your Mojave Master, and we got something good for you guys today. We're gonna be doing shrimp tacos. The first thing I'm gonna do is get the coleslaw mix ready. It is okay to cheat. I'm using some store-bought coleslaw mix. I am gonna up it up a little bit by adding some lime, salt, and some of this mojito lime seasoning. We're just gonna give that a quick toss and set it off to the side. All right. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this shrimp seasoned up. So in my little cup right here, I have ground chili, salt, pepper, some more of our mojito lime seasoning. I'm just gonna toss it in and give this a quick toss. So when cooking with a flat top, always start by putting a little bit of oil on the grill. We're gonna get our shrimp. Once I have this shrimp on the grill, it's not gonna take too long, maybe about 3 to 5 minutes. Once we start to see the sea on the shrimp, that's how you know it's done. All right, so our shrimp has been cooking for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once we start to see this nice little sea, that's how you know our shrimp is done. You don't want it to go any further than that. That's gonna let you know that you have overcooked your shrimp. So a nice sea is what we're looking for. So now that our shrimp is just about done, I'm gonna go ahead and get my tortillas ready. All right, guys, so as you can see, here's the benefit to cooking with our Mojave. We have a large cooking zone. I'm able to put my shrimp on one side and heat up my tortillas on the other side. Now that our tortillas are ready, we're gonna get to plating. Alrighty, guys, this is your end result, our BAJA shrimp tacos. So I have my tortilla, my coleslaw mix. I added 4 shrimp per taco. I have my homemade chipotle sauce, some cilantro, and lime. And now to take a bite. That's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you guys get to try this pretty soon. Remember to like this video, comment what you guys want to see next, and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna do it for me, your Mojave Master, and I hope to see you on the next one.